confirmation from PMO. Narendra Modi is going to inaugurate Hindu temple in Abu Dhabi. So let me go through this news. PM to open Hindu temple in Abu Dhabi. Will be hits seventh visit to UAE since 2015. So PM Narendra Modi during his visit will deliver a special keynote address as guest of honor of World Government Summit in Dubai. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to the UAE from 13 to 14th Feb to participate in the World Government Summit in Dubai will inaugurate BAPS Mandir, the first Hindu temple in Abu Dhabi. The government announced on Saturday Modi will deliver a special keynote address as guest of honor of the summit. This will be his seventh visit to the UAE since 2015 and the third in the past 8 months. During the visit, Prime Minister will be hold bilateral meetings with Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the UAE. The two leaders will be discuss way to deepen, expand, and strengthen the strategic partnership between the countries and exchange views on regional and international issues of mutual interest, said the government in a statement. So, Prime Minister will inaugurate the BAPS Mandir, the first Hindu temple in Abu Dhabi. He will also be addressing the Indian community in the UAE at an event in Jayed Sport City in Abu Dhabi, it added. So, who is not familiar with this BAPS temple? So, BAPS Mandir is also have the very big mandir in New Delhi, Akshardham temple. So BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha, established by Bhagwan Swaminarayan, formalized by Shastri Ji Maharaj, and inspired by the Pramukh Swami Maharaj. They have very good management and they have very big temples in our over India, even across out of the India as well. So this is the really big sign for Hinduism after a successful inauguration and Pran Pratishtha Summit ceremony happened in Ayodhya 22 January 2024. So again, PM is going to give a good news for all Hinduism. That's all.